Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Well, the Mecca Beauty Look box landed here in New Zealand on Friday, 29 January, and I just picked mine up today. So I'm going to do a live unboxing for you today. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. I post a video every Monday and Thursday. So here we are, the Mecca Look box. I just picked it up this afternoon from the mall. So live unboxing. That's what it looks like. Level 3 look box. I'm going to open it up in front of the camera. So what have I got? Okay. I'm going to put on my glasses so I can see an hourglass straight away. So let's take the hourglass. So view hourglass. Translucent setting powder. It's the Hourglass View Translucent Setting Powder. I've got the Hourglass View Primer, which I'll put it down here. I've done a video on that, and I really like that product. I actually went and purchased the actual product. So this is the powder. Beautiful, beautiful. There's a little sticker to protect the powder. Oh, beautiful. Setting powder. I'm just going to dab a little bit. Yeah, very nice. Yep, beautiful. This is very soft. Very soft setting powder. That's beautiful. It's like been sieved many times over. It's very fine. Very fine. Beautiful setting powder. So here we are. So I like that. I like to try. I am a fan of the Hourglass products. I've got the primer, which I'm still using. I really love it. I've got the mascara. I really like that mascara. So here you are. Okay, what else? Let's have a look at this box here. Oh, hang on. This box here. And Bobbi Brown. Vitamin Enriched Eye Base and Primes Hydrate. So I think this is an eyeshadow primer, eye base, Bobbi Brown. I have to be honest, I don't own any Bobbi Brown products. They're not, it's very hard to open. They're not the cheapest. Here we are. Vitamin C Enriched Eye Base. It really is eye primer. So I can open it. I can open it. This looks beautiful. Eye base. That looks beautiful. It's a really nice little jar too. This is a very nice, clean, beautifully packaged jar. All right, let's get moving. This works. I could see this works here. Wow. 24-hour skin solutions. Can't sleep. Deep sleep pillow spray. I've never used a pillow spray, although I've heard about them. The scent is supposed to encourage your body to relax, your mind to relax, the scent. And therefore, when your body is relaxed, it's easy for you to fall asleep. So for those who have trouble sleeping, pillow spray. Beautiful. 92% natural. 2.5 mils. This works. Deep pillow spray. I'm going to try this out for a few nights and then let you know what I think of the product. So look up my all this skincare sample trial videos coming up. So the last item, level 3 box, is a yellow tube. Yellow tube. Bang Body. Who's this by? I think I pronounced this wrong. It's Bangn. I think it's Banging Body. So made in Australia by Banging Body. So this is a face and body firming lotion. Let's have a smell of this. Oh, there we are. Just put a little bit now. Beautiful. Actually smells like banana. Smells like banana. Well, it's yellow. Beautiful. It's got like candy-like scent, you know. Beautiful. Yeah, banana candy-like scent. When you go to a candy store, it's not nice scent. It's not a bad smelling scent. So this is yeah, sorry, I pronounced it wrongly earlier on. Banging Body, Australian brand, made in Australia. Yeah, here we are. Moisturizer, translucent powder, pillow spray, and eye primers. There we are. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. If you like my video today, give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.